to easily add overlays in CapCut using your laptop or PC. So to start, we'll just have to open our CapCut application, and then in here, the first thing that we need to do is to import our photos or videos that we're going to use. To do that, simply tap on this import option, and then our file will automatically open here, and then what we need to do is to select a video or photo. So I'm just gonna select this one and then tap on this open option. And then to start editing, all we need to do is to tap on this plus sign so the photo or videos will be added here. And then I'm just gonna make this one longer. And then after that, I'm going to add the second image. And then what I need to do here to make this one as overlay, all we need to do is to tap on this one. And then we're going to drag it above the first photo. And then after that, I'm just gonna make sure that they are on the same length. And then in here, as of now, you can't see the first photo or image. So to make this one an overlay, what we need to do is to go here. And then you see these four corners. What we need to do is to move this one so we can make it smaller. And then after that, you can also move this one anywhere on the screen. If you don't want to use your cursor here, you can also tap on the scale option to make the first video or image to smaller one. And then again, you can move this one anywhere on the screen. Once you're done editing your video, simply tap on this export option, and then in here you will also see this export option. Simply tap on that to completely save the edited video. So that's how easy you can add overlays in CapCut using your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!